Hi, Roger here with Lion Technology, back again to bring you Lion Now, your video guide to the headlines and insights that impact environmental, safety, and hazardous materials professionals this week. Let's get into it. U.S. EPA's Electronic Hazardous Waste Manifest system celebrated its first birthday last month. The new system has now been in place since June 30th, 2018. To date, though, only a fraction of hazardous waste manifests are created using the electronic system. In other words, many hazardous waste generators are still using paper manifests. In Lion News this week, Lion instructor Joel Greger covers some of the roadblocks generators face in going electronic and why it's a good idea to make the switch soon if you haven't already. Next, if you manufacture or distribute lithium batteries or lithium battery-powered products, there's an upcoming compliance deadline you should know about. As of January 1st, 2020, manufacturers and distributors are required to make available a standardized test summary document to provide critical safety information to downstream shippers and consumers. Click the link in the video description to see what's required in that test summary document now, and make sure you're ready to make yours available before the deadline. Last but not least this week, I have a quick note for our friends in Texas. Lion's hazardous and industrial waste workshops return to Houston, Dallas, and San Antonio in August. Join us for 3 days of in-depth training to simplify your hazardous waste compliance responsibilities. We don't just cover the latest federal hazardous waste rules. On day 3, we dive into the unique TCEQ requirements that generators in Texas must know, from industrial waste ID to STEERS reporting and more. Head to lion.com/Texas for more details and to reserve your seat. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful or informative, please like it and share it with your colleagues. As always, you can find the latest updates that impact your operations at lion.com/news. If you're not subscribed already, sign up today. Our email newsletter is packed with original content every week, and best of all, it's free. I'll see you again next time.